battery. 1, 2, ready, go. Check this out. It's working. You can see the Techno logo. You can see it's working 100%. My dear technician, some of this my video I want to do it live. I don't know why network is disturbing me. I want to do it live and direct. Like I want to go live so that you guys will see and believe me that I can do it. The only problem that we have here is IC. That is the problem. Getting the IC is the problem. But if we have the IC, I'm telling you that your work is as simple as ABC. Check this out. The technician that brought this phone to me was like, Father Joe, are you sure that this phone will work again? Because some components they have removed it and they have even scattered components on the board. How will you know where the diode was connected? I said I will know. Now you can see it's working. Check this out. It's working perfectly 100%. It's working. Camera, come close. Check this out. It's working. You can see it's working 100%. Camera, show very well so that they can see. You can see it's working. Welcome back to my new video. My dear technician, check this out. So this is the PCB. The backlight is not functioning. If you check very well, you'll see that a lot of components are missing. Because of the backlight, the technician that worked the phone removed a lot of capacitors, and not just that, you can see there's no light driver and there's no boost coil. Check this out. You can see there's no diode. By the technician, right now I'm checking if voltage is flowing in or not. Check this out, my dear technician. I'm testing to be sure before I start the work. My dear technician, right here we're supposed to have voltage here. Check this out, but we don't have. Here we have 0.00 volt. Something is wrong. Something is missing. That is why the backlight is not working. My dear technician, we have to troubleshoot and know where the error is coming from. Right here you can see some capacitors are missing. Check very well, you will see here we have open circuit. This is where the 4 volt from the battery comes from. Yes, we call it the VPH line. Right here we have open circuit. Now let me test and see if it is true. Check this out. Here we have 4.34. Now you see that we have open circuit. So the voltage can no more flow to the V-in of the light driver and the boost coil. So we have open circuit here. We have to use a small tiny wire to do a jumper to fix this issue. My dear technician, if you have question, let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, most of the light issue we have is just a common something, but we find it difficult to fix it because we don't know how to troubleshoot it. It's important that as a technician you know how to troubleshoot issues. Like you know how to troubleshoot. There are sometimes the problem is not from open circuit like this. It is from the signal from the CPU. We call it the enable signal. There is no enable signal to turn on the backlight. Okay, it's important for you to know how to check it to be sure that everything works. Check the pulse width moderation voltage. If it is 2.8, confirm everything before you proceed. Okay, my dear technician, you may ask, Father Joe, where are you connecting your jumper to? My jumper is connected to the V-in of the light driver. You may ask, Father Joe, what is V-in? The V-in is the positive input of the light driver. Okay, the positive input of the light driver is also connected to the boost coil. Okay, if you check very well, you will see. If you have schematic, you can use schematic to check. For me, I don't like using schematic because I understand how the phone PCB works. Okay, if you have questions, you're free, let me know in the comment section. You can see I'm done connecting. Check this out, I'm done connecting. My dear technician, check this out. If you have questions, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Check this out, my dear technician. The next thing now is for me to confirm whether the open circuit is fixed. Right here you can see we have 4 volts. Check this out, 4 volts is now available in the V-in. Wow, my dear technician is fixed. Okay, My data ignition. So let me get a new light driver. Check this out. This is complete. Okay, this is complete light driver. You can see this is complete with Bose coil, with the light driver. Everything is complete. Check this out. So let me fix it. No time to waste. My data ignition. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Let me remove the PCB and bring my PCB stand. If you have question, like I said before, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. Check this out. Okay. The next thing now is for me to start mounting the IC and the Bose coil and the diode and capacitors. My dear technician, no time to waste. Check this out. I first of all apply paste. Check this out, my dear technician. I first of all put the Bose coil. Check this out. I'll be done. 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 The next thing is the light driver. At the technician, you have to be very careful. Check this out. You have to be very careful, my dear technician. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out, my dear technician. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Set it very well and you're good to go. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. The next thing is the capacitor and the diode. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. This is the diode, the high-speed diode. And right here is the 50-volt capacitor. My dear technician. Check this out. I start blowing. I'll be done. 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 Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. I apply paste. I set it very well. Good. The next thing is for me to set the diode. Check this out, my dear technician. I'm setting it right now. You can see, and boom. Okay, I'm done right now. Check this out. I cool it down. I cool it down with my tools. I clean it very well. Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. I clean it again. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out, my dear technician. It should be working now. If there is an error, I will correct it. Okay, let's test it and see what will happen. Check this out, my dear technician. Let me test it for you guys to see. Check this out, my dear technician. So let me test it for you guys to see. First of all, let me confirm if the voltage is flowing in before I proceed. So I test here, right here you can see 4.2. You can see voltage is flowing in perfectly. So let's turn on the phone. 1, 2, ready and go. You can see it's working now. You can see it's working now 100%. It's working now, my dear technician. Check this out. It's fixed. Check this out. This is live and direct, my dear technician. You can see it's working now. This is live and direct, my dear technician. You can see it's working. It's working now, my dear technician. It's not heating up. My dear technician. Let me wait and see if there'll be an error or not. My dear technician, what I notice, the backlight is shaking. I don't know if you guys are seeing. The backlight is shaking. Something is wrong. When something like this happens, please don't panic, okay? There's a solution. It's shaking. So for us to stop this shaking, I'm going to remove this jumper wire because the technician that brought this phone to me connected this jumper wire thinking it will solve the issue. So I'm going to remove the battery and go straight to where the jumper wire is connected and disconnected. You can see the jumper wire. Let me open the screen and do that right now. Check this out. I have to remove the screen. You can see this is where he connected the jumper wire from the positive of the LED. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have questions, feel free, let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. Check this out. Just disconnect it right now. And the next thing is for me to put tape. You can see I put tape, I seal it, and I put it back. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have questions, feel free, let me know in the comment section. So the next thing, after finishing with the first one, the next thing is changing the boost coil. Okay, the boost coil is not matching with the LED. That is why it's blinking. So we are going to change the boost coil. So I'm going to use a different boost coil for this. Okay, and not just that, we are going to replace this capacitor. It's important. So check this out. You can see I just put the capacitor now and I add some flux. Check this out, by the technician. So let me remove the boost coil. Check this out. Just remove the boost coil right now. Let me put another one. No time to waste. So this is another one. This one will work perfectly. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have questions, you're free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. I'll respond to you. Just give me some time. I'm going to respond to you. Just drop your question. I'll respond to you. I'm done now. Everything should be working just fine. My dear technician, I'm done. The rest of the capacitor, the technician that brought the phone can put those ones. I'm done with my work. Everything now is working perfectly. Check this out. So let me turn on the phone. 1, 2, ready and go. Check this out. It's working. It's not going to shake anymore. It's not going to shake anymore, my technician. My technician is done, is done, is done, is done, is done, is done, is done. Let me keep the phone for the owner. No time to waste. I'm done. Let me wait for the phone to finish booting so that you guys will see. That is no more blinking. It's working. It's working perfectly. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. It's working 100%. It's supposed to start shaking, but it's not shaking again. You can see it's working now. It's working now 100%. Check this out, my technician. It's working now. You can see it's not shaking again. Everything is working. Everything is working. Everything is working. My technician, check this out. It's working. Oh my god, I'm happy. It's working. Check this out. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. It's working 100%. You can see it's fixed. Check this out, my technician. If you have questions, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'm done. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.